It was 6:30 in the morning. Sunlight came through the window. Rina opened her eyes and sat up. She looked at the clock and said, "Time to wake up." She got out of bed, went to the bathroom, and brushed her teeth. Then she washed her face with cold water. "That feels fresh," she said, smiling. Rina walked to the kitchen. She put on the kettle and made tea. She also took 2 slices of bread and put them in the toaster. As she waited, she looked out the window. "It's a nice day," she thought. Her younger brother Raj came into the kitchen. "Good morning," he said. "Good morning, Raj." "Are you hungry?" she asked. "Yes, what's for breakfast?" "Toast and tea," she replied. They sat down at the table and started eating. Raj said, "The tea is hot, but it's good." After breakfast, Rina washed the dishes and cleaned the table. She went to her room, opened her book, and started reading. It was a short story about a cat and a dog. "This is fun to read," she thought. Later, she turned on the TV and watched a cartoon. Raj came in and said, "Can we play outside?" "Okay," said Rina. She picked up a ball and they both went to the small park near their house. In the park, they saw birds, trees, and flowers. Raj ran around and Rina laughed. "Be careful," she shouted as he almost tripped. They played for an hour and then came back home. Rina washed her hands and face. She drank some water and sat down to rest. In the afternoon, their mother came home. She had a bag full of vegetables. "Can you help me in the kitchen?" she asked. "Sure, Mom," Rina replied. She helped cut the tomatoes and onions. Her mom cooked rice and curry. The smell filled the whole house. "Dinner smells great," said Raj. At 7 p.m., they all sat down together to eat. "This is my favorite food," said Rana. After dinner, Rana helped clean the kitchen again. Then she took a shower and changed into her nightdress. She brushed her teeth once more and sat on the bed. Her mother came in and said, "Time to sleep." Rina nodded. "Good night, Mom." "Good night, dear. Sweet dreams." Rina smiled, turned off the light, and closed her eyes.